Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. For those asking about like some renovation video type things for our new townhouse here, I figured I would start now because we used the 4Runner to tow, I don't know, maybe like 3,000 pounds. It wasn't that much. It only stinks because that hitch that I have, it's not that much of a drop hitch. I used it on my older Silverado, which ironically sat a little lower than the 4Runner. So it towed perfectly fine. Didn't even know it was back there. I would say about 3,000 pounds. But the trailer, since it was pitched up a little bit and all this flooring, we probably have 1,500 pounds of flooring and the stove and all that stuff. The trailer just really wanted to sway at 55, 60 miles an hour. So we just kept it at 50 the whole time. It was perfectly fine. So I will show you guys the place like before basically, and then just some random videos here and there for it and stuff as we're remodeling. So sun's setting over there. Literally all you have to do is walk down that street, and right where that building is, right where that car just went by, that's the beach. Freaking awesome. So here we are on the outside. We're putting, obviously that couch is going, so just taking in all these boards right now. Huge side yard, which is awesome. So all we gotta do is just clean up some of this grass, kind of make it like this, like our neighbor coming around to the back. Like this lot is very huge. Got an outdoor shower, which is nice. Little patio area, and then just huge backyard. So this is gonna be an Airbnb for us, or VRBO, whichever one gets booked on first. So it's really clean inside, guys. It's just like stuck in the 80s. See right away, got wallpaper, but it's just pretty dated to the 80s, you know? Not that bad. These cabinets, nice hardwood. So we're taking these ones down right here, taking those ones down right there to make it nice and open down here. Nice solid wood. So we're just gonna sand them down, paint them white. New countertops, new sink, dishwasher and everything. We already got a new stove. Remington! We already got a new stove at Lowe's. It had a little dent in it, guys. So if you see stuff like that, definitely take it up because it had a dent. Hey, hush. You're gonna be out in a second, okay? I gotta bring all this flooring in here. It had a little dent in the side, guys. Got this whole stainless steel stove, 400 bucks. Originally like $700, just because of a little dent right here. That's gonna be covered anyways by the kitchen. So you got a bathroom right there. Nice mirror. This is what's gonna be the owner's closet area. We're just gonna close this in, have like a little hidden bookshelf to store all the owner's stuff, and then take the carpet off the stairs. Nice vaulted ceilings upstairs, which is really, really nice. We're gonna paint all these doors white, repaint everything as well. A little storage. Bathroom needs to be redone. Gotta drill in some more screws, and then just super 80s in here, guys. A little flashback to 1983. So very, very awesome condition. Vaulted ceilings and everything like that. So the condition of the property is awesome. It's just cosmetic upgrading that it needs. And then this one will kind of, I guess, be the master. Either of them can be a master, basically, because they share this bathroom up here, and then you can share the bathroom downstairs. But this has a little closet, kind of a walk-in. And I mean, this one is the one that has the view. The other one has a nice backyard view, but you can see the water right there. And of course, we're close to the pool, which is awesome. A little community pool right there. And then there's just, you know, simple things that the beach takes care of. So some rust, and the doors just need to be just a lot of touch up, guys. Nothing too crazy at all. I mean, it's mostly in good shape. It's just a little outdated. And you know, a nice hardwood cabinet like this saves you some bucks too. Nice and hard. You know, you just take the hardware off, sand it down and everything. Nice little beach whitewashed look. And then another big closet as well. And then this room as well it came furnished too. So we're gonna keep these 2 full beds and put a bunk right here and then a queen right there. And you come out here and then you have the peaceful backyard. And all this needs to get redone as well. Nice little bench right there. You power wash the concrete. landscape, like I said, and then we'll probably put like a little bonfire pit over here. There's already a little guy right there, so maybe just a nice stone one and everything. But it's pretty sweet, guys. And I mean, like I said, got a killer deal on it, but already like very good positive equity just as it sits. So after we renovate it too, it's gonna be very good. And then, you know, income source as well for more truck parts. And the flooring that we're putting down is like this nice it's a vinyl floor, very thick, and it already has the pad and everything on it, but we do need to level some spots in the tile. Like right here, it dips really good, so we just need to level that out. Gonna put it right on top of the tile though, and all the carpet's coming out, and then we need to fill in the stairs too, so no one can see through the stairs, like into the little owner's closet area.